Hey everybody, Phil here at Woods Tree Farm. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't been to our channel before, we are all about property maintenance, doing work at the farm, tractor work, being outside and having fun. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you can get notified of our future videos. Today, what I'm getting into is just trying to finish up something that we've been working on since we bought this property 3 months ago. And right behind me, we've got a row of cedar trees. Within that row of cedar trees was a old horse fence, cattle fence, and some barbed wire, and a lot of that has been removed. There's a little bit of that still out there. And what I want to do today is try to finish that job. There are some trees that need to come out. I'm going to use the tractor for that. There are some fence posts that are in the ground so hard that we couldn't get them out with the post remover tool. So I'm going to use the tractor to get those out. And then hopefully we can call this job done. I don't know if I'll get it all done today, but we'll see. Let's get after it and see how it goes. Alright, these next several trees have fencing in it, so I'm going to be a little bit more careful because I don't want the fencing to get tangled up in the tractor. This second one in right here has a metal T-post right there. I should be able to get up underneath that with the bucket. And as I go down, this tree has another T-post in there. More fencing along right here. That tree has another T-post, and so on. So I'm going to be a little bit more careful, like I said, because I don't want the tractor getting tangled up. Well, that worked well. So now I got a bunch of holes. I have plenty of fill dirt from some of my other jobs that I can use to fill these in and do a little grading, and then springtime will come and the grass will grow and it'll be fine. You're probably wondering why I left a couple trees. These are ones that I think could grow into being someone's Christmas tree, maybe my own family's Christmas tree. So I'm going to leave a few of these that look a little nicer, that are about the right size, that already have good natural shape, and we'll take it from there. So I've got about another hour before I got to head home today. I'm going to head up the other end of the field where there are a bunch more cedars. I don't think there's as many posts or as much fencing left up here. We've already removed all of that by hand. So this is just tree work up here. And I'm hoping it goes pretty quick. So from here, from this tree, all the way up behind me, try to use my best judgment. That's at least 160 yards maybe to the end of the tree line. And I'm going to see if I can get all that done in the next hour. So I'll quit blabbering and get to work. that's it for tree removal. I managed to make a little bit of a mess, but that's all right. Sometimes it gets worse before it gets better. So on another day, I'll have to clean all this up. I'll drag the trees into the woods. I'll bring in some fill dirt. I'll clean everything up. That'll be another little project. Thanks for sticking around so long. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you subscribe. If you like farm work, tractor work, you'll like my channel, I think. Maybe. Subscribe, hit that bell icon, and get notified of future videos. And now, for sticking around this long, you get an extra bonus. I've got some extra time before I gotta head home. So I'm gonna go down into my main trail into the woods. We have 25 acres of woods behind me, that way. And my main trail has a couple trees down on it, and as we've used that trail just for walking around, we've just been stepping over those trees. So I'm gonna see if I can't push those trees out of the way with the Kubota, and if not, I'll come back another day with a chainsaw. Here we go.